Hi everyone, Kelly Shaffner here. Welcome to my channel, Merry Vlogmas. It is so nice to see you again. Guys, today it's another fun video. I have a ThredUp Shoe Rescue box to share with you, and I have an extra special little gift for you today. Today I am collaborating with my friend Holly from Hunter Ryan, and I will link her channel below. She is also unboxing a ThredUp mystery box filled with shoes. Now, spoiler alert, I saw Holly's post on Instagram and I think her box is excellent. That's what she has led me to believe. I do not know what she has in her box, but I cannot wait to visit her channel and see what she got. So guys, after you watch my video, please go visit my friend Holly over at Hunter Ryan. Check out her box, subscribe to her channel, show her some love, and let me know who got the better box. Guys, I need you to pull for me on this one. I would love to get a great box of shoes. This big box of shoes here, this costs $90. There's 15 pairs, so that breaks down to about $6 per piece. This box came from Phoenix, Arizona. I tend to have pretty good luck from Phoenix, so I'm feeling good about this box before I've even opened it. All right, guys, I'm contorting myself right now to show you the inside of the box. Here is the receipt, and no verification on this box, and there is some tissue kind of, you see that, just kind of thrown in there, wrapped. Ooh, look at this. Don't be men's. Look at these, you guys. Okay, let's get into this box. Let me put it down. This is the first pair that caught my eye. This is what they look like. They are a little boot. They are leather. Look at that print. Isn't that awesome? These say they are made in Italy, and they have that owl there. Do you have any idea who that is? I don't know. I'm going to do some research. You know, I always put the comps on the screen and let you know what I find out. These are a size 38, which is my size. This may be a little Christmas present from ThredUp. I love these. Now, they are worn. There's dirt on the bottom. That will be easy enough to clean up. Even on this gum sole, a magic eraser should clean these up nicely. I love these. They're just funky, they're unusual, they look comfortable. I will probably at least wear these once. Let me know if you know who that brand is. Oh, okay, I like selling this brand. This is a small size. These look like they're about a size 6. This is the brand Bernie Mev. This is a comfort shoe, comfort walking shoe. They do have the hook and loop closure there, a Mary Jane style. These are cute too. Let me see if I can find a size on these. I don't see it right offhand, guys. But these look like they're in good shape. This is a well-made shoe, the Bernie Mev. I pick them up if the price is right. So next up, Bernie Mev. Pair of loafers. You guys know I love my loafers. These are Sperry's. Sperry loafers. These are kind of are these gold or are these silver? These are not gold, okay. Kind of a pewter color. This is what the soles look like. And they're in good shape. Let me see, they're 7.5. They look bigger than that, but Sperry 7.5, I'll take it. Next up is a pair of tennis shoes. And these are Adidas. So you can see that right there. It's probably on the sole. Yeah, it's on the sole as well. Adidas, they're a gray canvas tennis shoe. They look like they are in good shape. They look small. Let me see if I can see. US 5.5. So they are small. Now I have 2 pairs of Adidas 5.5. So if you're an Adidas lover, I've got your shoes. All right, the next pair of shoes has seen better days. Maybe it's just because they're really dirty. This is a canvas shoe, but it's got a leather lining. They look like this, that you can see those toes are kind of dirty. Same thing with the heels. The heels are pretty dirty there. So these need to be washed, but they do have leather soles on them. These are a 7 medium and they are Aerosoles. So yeah, these need a good bath. I might throw these in the washing machine, even though they have leather insoles, because they are so dirty that If the washer will get them clean, these will end up in my Poshmark closet. Otherwise, they will probably be donated. Okay, look at this fancy heel detail on this shoe. This is a suede slingback peep toe shoe with this great heel detail. Really dusty. These need to be cleaned up. This is Kors, Michael Kors. If you can see that there. I'm not sure about the size. 9.5. These are a 9.5. And they look like they are in pretty good condition. What do you think about this heel? These heels like this remind me of the 70s. My best friend in the 70s and still to date, her mother used to wear lots of these heels with all sorts of funky cutouts in the 70s. And when her mother was not there, we used to get into her closet and wear her mother's shoes that looked similar to this. So yeah, these are kind of a blast from the past. We'll see how they do. This shoe is also in need of some love. It's dirty. It's got a lot of wear. And it's not necessarily in season right now. This is in platform espadrille wedge. Look at that really cute, though, tassel zip on the back of it. These are Dolce Vita. Let me see if my zippers work. That zipper works. Can you see the DV there? Dolce Vita. So these are dirty. And they are a suede leather. You can see there's toe marks in them and just dirt scuff marks all over. The soles look okay, they just look dirty. So those definitely need to be cleaned up. A pair of Nikes. Nikes are next. Again, these look small. They are really lightweight. Black and white Nikes. What size? Size 6. So Nikes has a number on them, so it will be really easy to research these and find out. They're Nike Flex. So yeah, all right, check out the shape of this boot. That's disappointing. Oh my gosh, and they are like stuck in that position. So these boots desperately need to be shaped. They need shaping. This one looks like it's okay. So this is a storage issue, I think. I don't really think this probably even happened in shipping. I think this was probably just stored. You can see now that one's got a curly toe and this one doesn't. So I don't know about these. Who are you? These are Cupid. This is a brand I see in the thrift store a lot. I've never picked it up. I've never sold it. Let me know if you have any luck with this brand. These are a size 7. And yeah, this one needs some life support. Okay guys, I have a feeling Holly might be kicking my butt at this point. I've got another pair of gum soles here, and they're a pair of boots. I like these as well. This is a really soft suede leather bootie, and they look like they could be my size. These are Lucky Brand. You guys know I like selling Lucky Brand. It's a brand that does well for me, and I don't see size. Where is the size? Yeah, no size, but they look like they could be a size 7.5 or 8, so I am pleased with these. Oh, these are cute. These are really cute. I like these a lot. They're a pair of Adidas, and you know, ThredUp has been sending Adidas in every single box. These are the Superstars, right? Yeah, the Superstars with the red stripe, and they're a good size. They're a size 7. They're dirty. These are really easy to clean up though, so I'll take Adidas all day long. Ooh, okay, I like these. I like these. These are promising, a little dirty. These are, they're a mustard colored suede. Feels really nice, but there's some markings on the suede. In fact, you see that little bit of like almost a green color. Hopefully I can get that cleaned up with a brush. Otherwise, I'll use a little cleaner on it. The heels look pretty good. The heels are in good condition. Toes, everything needs to be cleaned. That's what the toes look like. And the soles look nice too. So these are a size 8 and they are Charles by Charles David. So this pair looks promising. The next pair is a pair of stiletto strappy sandals. This is what they look like. I mean, it's a really classic shoe, strappy. Okay, that's got to go that way, right? Around your ankle, something like that. These are Steve Madden. Can you see it? Steve Madden. So I like Steve Madden, size 7.5. These need to be cleaned up. The heels have a little ding in them. Probably it's not bad enough to not sell. They need to be cleaned. Some scuffing on the toes as well. But these shoes should clean up nicely. All right, next up is a pair of black boots. And okay, they have shape. They have a nice shape to them. Just a classic black. They don't feel like leather. In fact, I don't think they're leather. You can see they're peeling right here. Let me see. These are a size 39, made in Vietnam, fabric. So yeah, not leather. Who are you? No brand. Yeah, no brand. Okay, so synthetic, vegan leather, black booties, zip up the back. So a little bit of peeling just on the one. Some heel drag on these, little bit of heel drag, but the toes look good. I might try to sell these. They won't make me much. I think they're just dirty. You can see there's the smudge on the toe, but I'm not sure what I will do with these. They'll be a tough sell because no one is searching for unbranded black vegan leather booties. You know what I'm saying? But if someone is browsing in my closet and sees them and they're priced right, they might sell. So I have to give some thought to this. Would you sell the unbranded lower end boot? Let me know. This is the last pair. These boxes go so fast. It's fun. OMG. Look at the, okay, these are Vans and they need to be cleaned, but look at the print. This is a cat print Van. Adorable. They're Vans collaborated with the ASPCA. You don't like the cat sneakers? These are really cute, size 5. Oh my gosh, I love these and I have a feeling they're going to do really, really well. Remember the Vans I got in one of my past boxes, 101 Dalmatians, they sold immediately. They did really, really well. Now, these are a smaller size, but yeah, cat people love their cats. The condition, the soles are great, the canvas is fine. They are just really, really dirty. Did someone donate these because they didn't want to clean them? Thank you very much. I will happily clean these and find them a new home. That is my 15 pairs of shoes, guys. I think Holly won. There's nothing really spectacular in here unless it's these. And these just stole my heart. I'm curious to know what you think about this box. I'm also dying to know who got the better box, Holly or myself. And I really hope that Holly got a better box. I think this is a good box. I think there are plenty of name brand shoes that sell well for me in Poshmark and on eBay. So I am not disappointed in this box. There's a lot of smaller sizes. Did you know that? I feel like I'm being punked. I am on the small shoe train, but guys, I am going to beef up my Poshmark closet with smaller sizes. That's what I'm going to do because I have the product to do it with right now. So if you are joining me from Holly's channel, I would really like to welcome you. I'm very glad you're here. And to my viewers, to those of you that have been following along the month of December of Vlogmas, and to those of you that have been with me since the beginning, I want to say thank you very much for all the birthday wishes. You guys made my birthday so extra special. It really means so very much to me. I will continue to shout out and celebrate all the December birthdays. Just leave it in the comments below. Thank you to everyone that has left your funny stories. I can really relate. As a December birthday myself, I relate. Thank you very much for sharing those stories and memories with me. And I have some work to do, guys. I have a bunch of shoes that need to be processed in front of me, so I am going to get busy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Please visit my friend Holly. Let her know that Kelly Shaffner sent you. I will see you in the next video. Merry, Merry Vlogmas to you. Blessings.